Welcome if you're new here, welcome back if you have been here before. My name is Dion. I call this the Crazy Troll Nation. Why? The crazy just knowing it's okay to be your authentic self, not feeling like you need to act like somebody else or something or somebody that you're not. The troll part is not caring too much about the beauty community standards. You set the standard for yourself. You'll hear people say you must use this brand, you have to use this technique, you have to use, these tools, and I'm here to tell you, no, you don't. Use whatever you want to, however you want to get your makeup on in a way that you are satisfied with it. Try all the things if you want to, but then settle upon what you like best for you. The bottom line here is self-acceptance and self-love. Embracing your natural features, enhancing them if you want to, when you want to, but never feeling like you have to. Love yourself for who you are and for how you look, even when you're not wearing face paint. 2 things I need to let you know about me. I do curse. You have been warned. And there's an organism that lives in my throat that randomly hiccups, gurgles, and belches, and I do always say excuse me. Unless somebody's doing my makeup because I don't want to breathe in their face. This might be the only time I do the intro for the Vlogmas videos. And what exactly are we going to be doing for Vlogmas? There will be at least 6 videos. I'm telling myself I'm going to post Vlogmas videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There's a piece of lint floating around in the air. I wore my goose down coat today because it was like 40-something degrees, and I forgot that it sheds, and I hate that. But anyway, yeah, so it's just floating around. So we're going to be talking about different things, self-care, spending money wisely over the Christmas season. We're going to be doing some different types of looks. We're going to be doing either a creative look or a high fashion look or an editorial look, techniques that I've learned from when I was at the academy, the online makeup academy, not the academy where I'm on faculty for. And so we're going to be just mixing it up and doing different things. And also for this month, one of my members requested I do a week of live streams. Do live streams every day for 7 days in a row. Yeah, so we're going to be doing that. If you want input into the channel and to make requests and to give me ideas on content to do, being a member is how you do that. And I enjoy that because it is a financial investment into the channel. It's $2.99 a month. You can cancel anytime. But investing even that, I want you to feel more of a part of what goes on here and not just watch whatever I do. And so you have say into my content. And requests can be anything from, palette bingos, telling me which palettes, a certain type of look, or you want to hear about my skincare for that month, or just whatever it is, my favorite of this or my favorite of that, or rank this or rank that, life issues or current topics, current event topics. And so the members let me know. And I do try to do a members only post at least once a week. And so I'm always asking, what would you like me to do? Sometimes it's a poll and majority rules, or I just say, hey, what are your ideas you would like to see me do? And I just leave it open. And so what they say is what I do. And so I want the membership to be special because it is, as I said, an additional investment. Additional because just watching my videos is investing in my channel and it helps my channel, and it does support my channel, as well as liking and commenting and using my codes. That's additional support as well. And so becoming a member, like, that is a commitment. And again, you can cancel at any time, but I do appreciate that extra commitment to the Crazy Troll Nation, and it does help the channel out. It helps me as far as getting stuff to show you and to demo for you and stuff like that. And I really enjoy just chit-chatting with the members. And so if you want in on all of that, the link is below for you to check out what the perks are. And hopefully they are enticing to you. And so Vlogmas is going to be interesting this year because the members also gave me ideas for Vlogmas videos to do. And so I'm like, oh, okay. And I have a collab also, and those videos will be aired on Fridays for the month of December. So there's a lot of stuff going on. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do a giveaway for this month. December is my born month. My giveaways don't go too well because I don't put it in the title of the video. And so it just gets missed. And I know a lot of people skip through videos and so they don't see it. I might only have 1, 2, or 3 like entries, and those are people who actually watch my videos, which are the ones I really want to win, are those who are really here. And so yeah, this is one of them channels where you don't have to, but it would benefit you to watch a video, because you just never know. And even in the videos I do mention this is a giveaway or subscriber appreciation, but it gets missed because it's not in the title, and some people skip through the video so they don't hear me say that. So that's a tidbit for you. Yeah, and even when a giveaway or subscriber appreciation is going on, I'll mention it in a few videos. Yeah, that giveaway is still open, blah blah blah, but it gets missed a lot, which turns into sometimes the same people may win more than one time because they actually watch and listen. And so, and I appreciate whatever time you can give to the channel. I know we're busy, we have stuff to do. I'm retired, but I know a lot of you still work, and you're married, you have a husband, you have kids, you got pets, and like all of that stuff where you're caring for, you know, a family member. And so I know it's a lot of stuff going on, and emotions are probably still, you know, all over the place because of the results from that day. And I know y'all know what I'm talking about. And so it can be hard to, well, I'll speak for me. Sometimes it's hard for me to focus, and I'm just like, I just cannot like watch YouTube today, which I do watch YouTube every day, but I'll tend to just watch a movie on YouTube, and some of them are really good and some are just like, eh, but then I'm just like, as Janessa says, couch rotting. She's like, I'm just going to couch rot today. And so I do have days like that. And then being a disabled veteran dealing with fibromyalgia, joint pain, migraines, some days I'm just out of it all day for days at a time anyway. And so I do understand. I'm just saying all that to say I do understand if you're not able to be here for the duration of any particular video. But so I really just wanted to let you know what was going to go on for Vlogmas. At least 6 videos. I do have the topics already written out, which were member suggestions, member ideas. And so I'm always excited to do a video of someone's idea or someone's request or someone's suggestion, because it's like, yes, somebody really wants to see this, versus, oh, I'll just watch what she did. You know, they're like, this is your video, you requested me to do this and I'm doing it, this is for you. And I also do shout outs when I do members request and do their ideas. I always say who gave me the idea. And if this is a look that Lock Maiden had had requested to pair Natasha Denona I Need a Warm with Natasha's Denona Xenon. So that's what this look is, and I think it came out pretty nice. The random generator palette bingo, 3 shades from each palette. The palette bingo was really kind to me. Like, do you see this look? Does this look like a palette bingo look? Like, it's just, it was very kind to me. But we know the Xenon is grayscale. And I Need a Nude is like brown scale. And so I didn't think it was going to be too out there, except if it would have picked like 4 like really shimmery shades, because then it's like, they're all just going to blend into the same shade. But I do like the look, and I love doing requests, because especially palette bingos, because it takes me out of my comfort zone, because you have to just use, unless you want to cheat, you have to use whatever shades the random generator says to use. And so it's like you just get a group of colors and you have to figure out a way to make it work. And so I do really like doing palette bingos, and excuse me, and so that's what this is, and I am friggin' digging it. I'm digging it. So we're gonna go for now. And so yeah, so for Vlogmas, at least 6 videos. I'm thinking to air them on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which will be not challenging, because my live streams are 8 o'clock at night, and when I post videos I schedule them to air at 7 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And so that wouldn't be too much of an issue, but it will just be like additional content from me to see a video during the day and then a live stream at night. And live streams, if you haven't been to one of mine, it's a lot of friggin' fun, because I do read every comment. Whoever said it, I'm reading your comment, I'm responding to your comment. It's not one of them live streams where the person never reads a comment and they don't address you. Like, I'm like, okay, oh, so-and-so says such and such. And I love it when my trolls, which is what I call my subscribers, when they talk to each other. And so they'll be like, hey, so-and-so, hey, how you doing? I'm doing good, how are you? So it's like we're just sitting around chit-chatting, and I love that. I love seeing that in the chat when you're talking to each other, whether it's about YouTube or about life, or how are you doing today? Oh, are you feeling better? I remember last week you were sick. So it is a very supportive place. And I do read the comments and respond to them because I want you to know that I see you and I hear you, and I appreciate you for being there. And it's just always a lot of fun. So if you haven't been to one of my live streams, you know, watch one of the previous ones, or just the 10, you know, the ones that are coming up after you see this video. And I'm just really excited about Vlogmas. And I know Vlogmas is going to be a crazy month because I think a lot of content creators do Vlogmas. And so whenever you're able to watch me for Vlogmas, I appreciate it, because again, I know it is a very busy time of year, and then people getting ready for, you know, Christmas and New Year's Eve and visiting family and all of that stuff. And so I appreciate whatever time you give, but do consider joining, because y'all, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, and I'm excited about what the new year is going to bring. And one of the Vlogmas videos will be about my takeaways from 2024, and I do have some dealing with like personal boundaries and friendships and stuff. So I'm excited. This is my excited face. Don't look at my double chin. Yeah, let's do this. This is cute. This will be my thumbnail. That's gonna be my thumbnail. Thank you. So we're gonna go for this video, and thank you for being here. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure your notifications are turned on to all. Sometimes YouTube gets a little skittish and a little funky, so you may have to go into your YouTube studio to go into your settings to make sure your notifications are turned on. I do post quite a few times a week, so if you're not seeing me for like a week, something's going on with the notifications not notifying you if you have them turned on. Or you can just go to your subscription feed and find my name there and see what I posted that's new. But I appreciate those of you who are subscribed. I appreciate those of you who will subscribe. And if you're a new subscriber, I see you and I appreciate you. And welcome to the Crazy Troll Nation. We be rolling over here. We be acting a fool, but it's a good fool. Let me stop babbling and let y'all go. So thank you seriously for being here. Well, all of that was serious. I appreciate you all for being here. And make sure you leave your comments below. Share my video, share my channel. Lots of links down below. The majority are affiliated. That's just additional support. If you use them, I appreciate it. If you don't want to, that is okay. But use somebody's code to save yourself some money. That's going to be one of our videos too. How to spend wisely during the Christmas season. So yes, we have a lot going on. And I thank you for joining me when you can. So we're going to go, as always, thumbs up if all of this sounds good to you. Why am I thinking of like a game? I'm tripping. I need to eat. We're going to go for real. As always, self-acceptance, self-love. That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you, and you will see me soon.